This snow won't let up. We need to clear the intakes.
All right, and check the rudder cables for ice. Sure. Give her the signal, take the slack slowly.
Okay, it's secured.
All right, pilot, take the tension.
Battling the elements, the heavy-lift helicopter strains as the 70-year-old bomber finally leaves the frozen tundra.
Keep that stream steady on the wing.
It's frozen solid up here.
The rust penetration here is significant.
The underlying structure seems sound based on the scans.
We start with the cleaning phase tomorrow. All connections secured. How are the gauges looking?
Green across the board, sir. Ready for the test run.
Oil pressure holding steady at 75.
Acknowledged. Check the magnetos on 3.
This insulation is completely shot.
We'll need to replace the whole loom up to the radio.
All right, start with the tail section, keep the pressure steady. Right here.
What about this section near the panel seam?
It's immaculate. Perfect preparation before paint.
Here we see the iconic tail section, the distinctive twin rudders, and the smooth camouflage paint of this 1944 veteran. For command during the latter half of the war.
Cockpit maintains the
team has achieved a museum-quality finish on this magnificent aircraft.
Watch the props. Move those supplies to hangar 4, double time.
In the harsh winter of 1944, the Lancaster bomber proved its worth in the most extreme conditions.